went to my factory. This is my surface grinder, and I just resurfaced that it on table. Looks good now. Why I done it? Because last grinding work get an accident. Here we can see a scratch from workpiece, and it happened because electrical power lose on few seconds, and I didn't get in time to stop a hydraulics, and then hydraulics pushed on of wheels and workpiece, and this is a old wheel from here, and then wheel just blow up and was bang, and that's all. So I take a new wheel, set a new wheel, smooth it, and then resurface that machine table. So new wheel, new deal, and then I think now I can keep work better. Thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.